Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we're opening up the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. We've unboxed this before, but just in case you don't know what this is, it's obviously, well, I'm guessing it's obvious, it's a jewelry subscription. Each month you get 2 pieces of jewelry, and this could be any type of jewelry, so it could be like earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, and more. And all the jewelry comes in all sterling silver and or gold with pearls, genuine gemstones, or gemstone simulants. It's $49 a month with free shipping, and they also give you a free gift each month along with those 2 pieces of jewelry. There was a box, I think it was 2 months ago, where they were so kind and sent me all of the gift options, or like a good sample of them. So if you guys want to check that out, you could see what you can expect. There's a playlist for all of the subscriptions I open on this channel, including the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. So yeah, I'll link them down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know how you are, and let's get unboxing. I love the little box this comes in. Oh, it tells us what's on the bottom. Well, we won't do a total sneak peek yet. Let's pull it out and then we'll look. But isn't this cute? Ooh, this is cool. Are those, is this earrings or the necklace? Let's see. I think these are drop earrings. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna look in the back. Oh wait, no, good. Okay, so you guys can look at it while I read it from the back. Sorry, it's kind of like tangled it up. These are so cool. So this is 14 karat gold over sterling double layer Baroque pearl necklace and dangle earrings. Retail value of $180. Damn. Guys, these are so pretty. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. This is so cute. And yeah, it's a little tangled, but not bad. Here, put this underneath it. You okay, Emmy? Sorry, I just kind of yelled in the phone. She's had a little tummy issues. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. This is so pretty. So these are dangle earrings. Wow, these are really, are these, okay. How does this work? So you put these through your ear and like it goes through both sides. Is that how that works? Super cute. And I like how this is double layered here. Oh my, I love these. I'm totally going to wear this weekend. So cute. So again, you guys, I do have a playlist so you could check out all of the items I've received before and all of those free gift items that you will get with your subscription. And again, thank you Silver and Gold for sending this to me. Thank you guys for watching. So this is kindly sent to me free for review, but this is not sponsored. And yeah, link below. Let me know your thoughts. It's a quick video, but this is like maybe my favorite set that I've received from Silver and Gold. I love this, and I don't have any earrings like this. I'm curious. So I'm going to film more videos tomorrow, so I'll probably put these on so you guys could see how they look. I didn't feel like doing my makeup today, and that's why I'm not doing my face. And plus, I feel like with this, it's easier just to see the jewelry like overhead than me like holding it up. So yeah, I think this is super cute, super cool. I am so excited about this. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Quick video. Hope you guys are well. Let me know. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.